we're making chocolate bunnies. We need cameras. We have chubby bunnies, cake pop sticks, pink chocolate, brown chocolate, and yellow chocolate. 3 spoons, 3 bowls, 1 plate, sprinkles, and cake pop sticks. First we're gonna melt the chocolate. Which is already bite one of them. We're gonna start with picking it's already open. Then my favorite Fluttershy so I can make a Fluttershy bunny. Oh, can you help me?
No.
We're gonna dip it in the chocolate. These are kind of like marshmallows. Whoa. Here it is. And next, sprinkles. Now, this one's for you. She's eating it.
Is it yummy? We should make some and let them dry.
Welcome back, and here they are, they're all dry. And thank you for watching us build these.